Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you are having a great day. It's a beautiful day out here. And in today's video, we will be talking about the latest update of Sabrina Scala, popularly called Cala.com. Popularly called Cala, but the website is sabrinascala.com. Some time ago, I made a review on this platform. That was immediately this platform was launched. I did a complete review. In case you've not watched that video, please, at the end of this video, I'll be adding the link, a link to that video. Please go and watch it. I did a review on that video exposing Cala.com, and I advised everybody not to invest in the platform. I called it COTP photocopy. In fact, that is the title of that video I did. COTP photocopied. I told people that this is the same people who did COTP, who just regrouped again and came up with another strategy very similar to the COTP and tried to scam people more. And I advise everybody not to venture into it. Unfortunately, many people did not listen to me and they went ahead to put their money. Cala claimed that they are an AI company, an artificial intelligence company, and are into crypto arbitrage. I wonder if you don't understand the meaning of arbitrage. Arbitrage is simply buying either a coin or an asset in one platform and sell it in another platform. Maybe you buy cheap here and you come here and sell. The truth about arbitrage is that arbitrage is real, but the money that comes from arbitrage is very small. A very small percentage of the money of money is what comes into arbitrage. No company into arbitrage can promise you that they will pay you 1.2%, 2%, 3% every day. In fact, if you watched my video on how to identify any Ponzi scheme and how to avoid losing your money in any Ponzi scheme, you will remember that I said that any investment platform or any crypto platform or dollar platform that promises a fixed amount of money every day is a Ponzi scheme. Because in the crypto world or in the crypto trading world, you cannot ascertain what will happen. Everything that happens depends entirely on the market that day. That means profits must always differ. What the market made today cannot be the same thing with what the market made tomorrow. So any platform that promises you a particular percentage of return of money is a Ponzi scheme. And just like every other Ponzi scheme, they use the money of the new investors to pay old investors. And anytime the money of the new investors start running out, they have one strategy. Each time they remember, they are on top of the pyramid scheme. So each time the money of the new people are no longer coming in, they come up with one strategy. This strategy has been going on for a very long time, and now the Cala company is bringing that same strategy, and I'm going to tell you about. But just in case you don't know, my name is Richard, and I want to welcome you all back to my channel. Thank you very much. If you've been watching my videos, please, can you just click on the like button? Please just like this video. It's completely free. Like it. And if you're my returning subscriber, I love you so much. You are the reason I keep doing these videos. But in case you are my new subscriber, please, I beg you, click on the red subscription button. You can see there, subscribe. It's completely free. You are not going to be charged. No money is going to be deducted from your account. Click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that each time I drop a video, you will be the first to watch it. Now, what is that same strategy that Cala is bringing? Cala informed their investors that they are trying to insure their money with, I think they say leadway insurance. Yes, leadway insurance. So that now you have to invest 30% of whatever money you have there, and you can be able to withdraw immediately. This is the same strategy that has been used by every other Ponzi scheme that has failed in the past, and Cala is still trying to bring that same strategy, and that is why I have come to warn my viewers not to fall for this scheme. The truth is that if Cala is truly into crypto arbitrage, what happened to the arbitrage? What happened? Arbitrage should be a method of making money risk-free. So if we have been making money risk-free, what about other money we've been making? How come you are not asking us to bring 30% of our money for you to be able to insure with leadway assurance? So guys, I want to beg you, please, if this is not true, if you put in the 30% of the money, your money is completely gone. Now, what are they trying to do? Remember, in a Ponzi scheme, the money of the new investors are being used to pay the old investors. Now, what happens when the money of the new investors start getting dry? That is when people are no longer pushing into the platform, or when the platform is becoming saturated. Okay, remember, in a pyramid scheme, one person has to register 2 people, then 2 people now have to register 4 people. That means 4 people have to register 8 people. 8 people have to register 16 people. So you see, as it keeps going like this, the pyramid begins to get very saturated until it gets to a point where it can no longer, the inflow is no longer enough for the output. So now what do? Now, normally a Ponzi scheme is rob Peter to pay Paul. Now they want to use Paul to pay Paul. You have already registered and you have your money stuck here and you want to withdraw your money. So they have to tell you, bring in 30% of the money you invested here initially. What are they trying to do? They're trying to increase the inflow. That is what they're trying to do. They want to increase the inflow back to the platform. And as soon as you guys make this inflow, them at the top pyramid scales, they will begin to make money again. And some people, maybe people who first rushed to do, or people who are promoting the scheme with them, they start paying them. And these people now start going to platforms and posting evidences that the company has started paying, the company is back. Then new investors will now come back. Now people who have been speculators, people who wanted to put their money before this stuff happened, and they are just at the window trying to watch. When they go to platforms and start seeing news that people have started investing money again and people have started withdrawing money again, they will now be encouraged to put in more money, and there will be more inflow into the money, and they will get rich until it dries up the second time. And in usual cases, the second dry up takes less than 1 month. It happens within weeks. And the inflow dries up again, because at that moment everybody is just trying to withdraw because everybody is now scared of the system. And this is how you will lose even more money by inputting this 30% they ask you to do. So guys, I just came to bring this quick update to you guys. It's now up to you to decide for yourself. So I'm including the link to the other video here, so that you can be able to go and watch my complete review about it. But just in case you don't know, please like my channel, like the video. It helps us a lot. And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys, and see you again in my next video. Bye.